Does cleaning the bathroom seem a hectic task? Then, try out these 9 steps. The bathroom is one of the areas in your home that need essential care to lead a healthy life. Aside from the bathroom being clean to the site, we should also consider cleaning it of germs and bacteria that could cause infections. And that is why you should bear in mind that cleaning the bathroom goes beyond superficial cleaning and ensures that germs and bacteria are appropriately dealt with to keep this environment healthy. At FastKlean, we work with both residential and commercial properties, so we have experience dealing with the cleaning of bathrooms. And we can tell you some valuable tips as we have been doing on this platform. Thus, we encourage you to subscribe and have easy access to the latest updates and previous content on the forum. Going back to the day's topic, we have come up with easy steps that you should follow. These steps will make it easy and help you clean your bathroom efficiently, ensuring that every nook and cranny is properly clean. Now you should apply these steps as directed and watch how it becomes less complicated, faster, and easy to clean your bathroom. Number 1. Remove every item from the bathroom. The first step in cleaning your bathroom is to clear off everything items you use from the bathroom. You should remove everything such as toothbrushes, soap cans and towels, and anything on the cabinet. Store them properly in a safe place for easy access when you want to replace them in the bathroom. Clearing every item will provide you unrestricted access to every nook and cranny in the bathroom. Also, it will avoid cases where dirt and dust will drop on these items during cleaning. For instance, imagine leaving your toothbrush while cleaning and being laden with dust and dirt, which you now use to brush your teeth. Number 2. Dust and sweep the entire bathroom. Now that you have taken every movable stuff away from the bathroom, you have access to dust and clean the entire area. First, get a dry cloth and dust off the cabinet and every surface in the bathroom. Then get a broom to clean the floor from dust to make it easier to clean using the right solution. Number 3. Sprinkle homemade cleaner around the bathroom. Now we are getting to the technical part of cleaning your bathroom, where you will have to determine the material for cleaning your bathroom. A mixture of vinegar and water solution will be suitable to clean your bathroom from dirt, germs and bacteria. We recommend the vinegar solution because it is readily available and efficient in cleaning and killing germs and bacteria. Number 4. Make use of soft cloth or microfiber. Get a microfiber or any suitable soft clothes for cleaning the surfaces. First, apply the cleaning solution to the microfiber or cleaning cloths and clean surfaces, including doorknobs, cupboards, cabinets, windows, blinds, soap cans, and storage places. At FastKlean, we use microfiber because it can be washed and reused, which reduces environmental degradation. Also, they clean surfaces efficiently without leaving scratches, marks, or dirt after cleaning. Number 5. Scrub the shower and bathtub. Remember that you applied vinegar solution to the bathtubs and shower. This enables the solution to neutralize the specks of dirt, making it easy as you scrub gently to clean these areas. Clean everywhere gently, and then rinse with cold water to wash the dirt off thoroughly. Number 6. Replace all items. Now that you have all the surfaces, bathtub and showers thoroughly wiped clean with the cleaning solution, and you can replace everything. Carefully place back the items, dusting them if necessary as you put them back in their places. Always ensure that you place each item in its rightful place. For instance, toothbrushes should not be left in the open, soaps should be kept in the right place, and follow other arrangements. Number 7. Clean the soft spots and vital areas. Places like the faucet, sinks and mirrors will require special attention. First, you should spray the cleaning solution on the sinks and faucets, scrub gently with a soft cloth, and soak lightly with the cleaning solution to wipe the mirror clean. If you have tough stains, you should use a scrubby sponge, which is hard enough to break tough dirt or stains and scrub off gently. Number 8. Scrub your toilet with the cleaning solution. Keeping your toilet clean will prevent offensive odors from building up in your home and reduce the chances of germs building. And the vinegar solution is strong enough to kill germs and foul smells. Pour the solution around the toilet and leave for some time before you scrub around gently with your toilet brush. Then flush, wipe to rinse, wipe the bathroom clean and smell fresh. Number 9. Mop the floor of the bathroom. The last thing you should do is mop the bathroom floor using a water and vinegar mixture. All the activities before mopping the floor will cause dirt to fall on the floor, and mopping the floor with a wet mop using vinegar solution will clean the floor and help wipe away any bacteria and germs. The steps above make it easy and ensure effective cleaning of your bathroom. With this procedure, you leave no space untouched, and your bathroom will have a pleasant smell, sparkling clean and healthy to use. However, you should note that you have to clean your bathroom regularly to maintain its spark and healthy environment. But, trust me, if you continue with this procedure, you will not be scared of anyone wanting to use your bathroom. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us?